face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting.
Please subscribe and turn on notifications and like this video.
Hey, welcome back to another video. This is that DJI guy. I did take that photo that you may have seen on Reddit, if that's how you found this video. And you guys were asking for me to show you how to take photos like this. I don't use any ND filters, no filters, nothing, to shoot in auto, and then after I've shot, I edit it. So I'm going to be showing you how to do all of that and the steps, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have an SD card in the drone. Now that is really obvious, but I saw someone say on Reddit, on one of my posts, that they didn't have an SD card, and I was like, oh my god, because you're only going to be getting that 440p video, and that is going to be shocking. The next thing you want to do is you want to have quite a decent phone. I've got an Oppo here, so you should be able to have zero lag and be able to see your video clearly on what you're shooting. So you enter the DJI app, and I'll show you my settings and stuff. I will switch to a screen recorder now, and yeah, we'll get right into it. Okay, so I've switched to a screen recorder, so now you guys can see what my phone sees. Okay, so we're going to take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright. So, I'm going to go down, and we're going to line up the photo. So if we want to get a nice shot like this with a wave breaking, then we can. Alright, so we're going to switch into photo mode, and this is completely in automatic. Now the next thing you want to do though is not have it completely in automatic. You want to go into your photo settings, and you want to select white balance for cloudy, okay, or sunny, depending on what day it is. So it's a cloudy day, so you want to set it onto that. We're going to set the grid on just so we can see exactly the horizon, if it's level and everything, and we want to also, yeah, just have it in single shot. So I am shooting in auto, as you can see, and yeah. So the next thing you want to do is you want to wait for like a good moment, so for like a wave or something to come. So I'm just gonna, you know, like align the camera right, get it down nice and low. So you want to wait for the right moment to take your photo, but if you're just taking a photo of something still, then obviously you can just take it straight away. Right, so as you can see, there's a little bit of a wave coming in now, so just gonna wait till it breaks. 3, 2, 1, take the photo. Right. Now also, I'm gonna do another shot way over here. Sorry if the footage is a bit jerky. Alright, so you got to line up your photo and hit the button. Alright, so now you have just got to line up the photo again. You like to have the lighthouse in like one of the thirds, so like over there, and the rock in the other side. There we go, and click. And that is pretty much it. Now we'll go to the editing stage. Alright, good. Okay, so this is the bit where I show you guys how to edit your photos. So you're going to go into the DJI app and download the photos. We're going to enter the device, and you have to download them off your SD card. So you're going to wait for them to load. Alright, so here we go. So the photos I want to download, I'm going to select. So I want that photo, that photo, that photo, and that photo. So you're going to click this download button down in the corner, the left side corner. You're going to wait for these to download. Photos don't take too long to download, but videos usually take a lot longer.
so keep that in mind. Usually if I'm using videos though, I just put it straight onto my computer. Okay, so then they've got this little tick next to them, and you'll be able to see the photos in high definition. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go into your photos, because it would have saved here. I usually like to do this on a iPad, so this is the... And it got to like that, and you guys just absolutely loved it on Reddit. Okay, so we're going to make a photo like this, but with this. Click edit, and you're going to go into this little filter button down here. Okay, see that one that's now white around it. You're going to click light, and if you click these three little dots and then the lines down here, it's going to give you all these little options. So, and you just go through one by one and adjust it to what you reckon looks good. So you make it a bit brighter and stuff. So you just go through all these, and you can like change it to what you reckon looks good. And then there's another app that you're going to have to download that allows you to get it sharper and edits more stuff into it. Okay, so after you've done the light, you can then go to the color section, and you're going to adjust the color. So this is where you can really see the difference. So that's it with no color adjustment, and that's just the saturation. So you don't want to make it look too unreal, but that looks quite nice. Contrast, depending on your image, you just got to look for the good blues in the sky and the water, see what you want it to look like. So like that looks really nice. Cast. Again, this is just going to be like your warmth, so it's going to be quite, that makes the image look a lot warmer. There you go. It's like that. Okay, I'll just show you. So that's what it was like, and that's what it is like now. So that is how I edit photos. I'll do another example. Okay, so again, this is the before shot, and this is the after shot after I've done the editing that I've shown you. Okay, now I'm going to show you another app that I use after doing this. This is the other app I use, the photo editor. So we're going to go into that. This is a free app. Select the image I want to edit, so let's do this one. There we go, it brings it up, and you've got all these options down the bottom. So if you go to sharpness, that's what I like to do. And really like bring out the image. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah, you've got all those other options down the bottom as well. I like to use high def as well over my images. So yeah, like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.